Hello students, welcome to online lectures of Kids Planet High School. This lecture is for class 4, subject EVS 2, lesson Maharashtra before Shivaji. Let us now begin. Shivaji Maharaj. We have heard this name a lot of time. Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. वो बहुत महान थे. We celebrate his birth anniversary with great pomp and reverence, which means every year we celebrate his birthday by holding grand ceremonies with great music, great decoration, great clothing, and with deep respect for him. It is a happy day for you children. We celebrate his birthday as a festival every year. You children sing songs and povadas in his honor. What are povadas? Children, povadas are Marathi poetries which tell us about historical events. Povadas मराठी पोइट्री होती है जो हमें हिस्ट्री में या पिछले समय में हुई किसी चीज के बारे में जानकारी देती है. So, we sing povadas in his honor. हम उनके सम्मान में पोवाड़ा गाते हैं. You garland his picture and say शिवाजी महाराज की जय. हम उनकी पिक्चर पर फूल माला चढ़ाते हैं और उनकी जय जयकार करते हैं. But who was this Shivaji Maharaj? What was the great work he did that we celebrate his birthday so grandly every year? Children, शिवाजी महाराज कौन थे और उन्होंने ऐसा कौन सा काम किया था जिसके कारण हम उनका जन्मदिन हर वर्ष इतनी धूमधाम से मनाते हैं. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the medieval period. Children, medieval period is a time in history when people, their house, the way they lived was not properly developed. There were not many facilities like we have today. There were no permanent houses or jobs or machines. In those days, monarchy or the rule of the kings prevailed everywhere, meaning everywhere there were kings who ruled their kingdom. Many of the kings pursued their own pleasures and enjoyments instead of the welfare of their subjects, meaning the kings only enjoyed themselves and did not care about their kingdom or their people. But even in those days, there were some kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects, meaning who looked after the growth and progress of their people. There was Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north and Krishnadev Raya of Vijayanagar in the south, who are famous in history for their benevolent rule. These two kings were not selfish. They were kind to their people and they thought for their needs and happiness. Likewise, Shivaji Maharaj also commands great respect even today. वैसे ही शिवाजी महाराज को भी उनके किए गए कामों के लिए बहुत सम्मान दिया जाता है. What did Shivaji Maharaj do? Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule, which means people of Maharashtra will not be ruled by any outsider or Mughal, but will have their own government, their own rule, where nobody can stop them from a good, satisfied and happy life. About 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra was not free. A large portion of Maharashtra was under the rule of Adil Shah of Bijapur and Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar. Children, these were the two people who had divided Maharashtra and were ruling it. Adil Shah and Nizam Shah, these two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves. They were not liberal in their outlook, meaning they were not ready for anything better or any change for the betterment of their people. They oppressed the people over whom they ruled. They did not treat the people properly. They misused their power and troubled their people. They were also sworn enemies of each other. They both hated each other very much. They were always fighting against each other, and because of all these fightings, people suffered. इन सारी लड़ाई की वजह से लोगों को काफी मुश्किल उठानी पड़ रही थी. And people were also harassed, और उन्हें काफी परेशान भी किया जा रहा था. The people could not get enough to eat, nor could they celebrate their festivals or worship their gods openly and freely. They were not sure of safety even in their homes. There was injustice everywhere. खाने की कमी थी. There was not enough food for everybody. They could not celebrate their festivals or worship their gods openly. त्योहार मनाने और पूजा करने पर भी कई रोक टोक थी. They were not sure of their safety even in their homes. लोग अपने घरों में भी सुरक्षित महसूस नहीं करते थे. There was injustice everywhere. हर जगह अन्याय था. In Maharashtra, there were many Watandars like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who owned Jagirs. Watandars are the people who own Jagir. They are also called Jagirdars. Jagirs are the place in state given by the ruler or king to his advisors or administrators to look after the land. But Watandars like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who owned Jagirs loved only their Jagirs and not their country. Deshmukhs and Deshpandes were also constantly and continuously fighting. Their constant fighting brought great misery to the people. Misery is a condition where people are unhappy and have to suffer many other problems, discomfort, and pain. There was misrule everywhere. Both of the Watandars were unfair. There was no proper management, no proper rule or government. People were tired of this oppression, bad treatment, hardship, injustice, and were very unhappy. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this and was not happy with it. He decided to set up Swaraj, self-government, our own rule, which will give happiness to the people. Shivaji Maharaj first brought to book the Watandars who fought among themselves. This means that Shivaji Maharaj punished the Watandars who fought among themselves, and then he used them in his plan to establish, set up Swaraj. He fought with many Jagirdars and Watandars who oppressed people and defeated them. शिवाजी महाराज ने लोगों के साथ अन्याय और बुरा बर्ताव करने वाले जागीरदार और वतनदारों के खिलाफ लड़ाई लड़ी और उन्हें हराया. शिवाजी महाराज established Swaraj based on justice, न्याय, equality, same treatment for all, fair play, ईमानदारी for people of all castes and religions. Shivaji Maharaj made no distinction between Hindus and Muslims. Shivaji Maharaj treated Hindus and Muslims equally. He honored the saints of all religions. Saints are the people from different religion who teach us good values. शिवाजी महाराज इन सब का सम्मान करते थे. शिवाजी महाराज respected the saints of all religion. We get inspiration from Shivaji Maharaj's good work. About 300 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born in Maharashtra. The work of saints helped Shivaji Maharaj in his successful effort of establishing Swaraj. The teachings and works of all saints helped Shivaji Maharaj in setting up Swaraj successfully. This was your lesson, Maharashtra before Shivaji.